I just got my first ticket and I don't know how to feel about it.
Do you not get the concept?
Guys, I just got my first ticket. I just got my first ticket and I don't know how to feel about it. Jamir?
How many did
Me not pay the bill there.
Yes, you
How much what? How much is on the ticket? So I was driving this morning and I came up to a stoplight and you know, I was at the stoplight, didn't think nothing of it. And I pulled out my phone and you know what we do when we're driving all the time. I mean, I use my phone all the time. I just didn't get caught before, but it's usually minor circumstances in my opinion, like at the stoplight or if I'm in traffic, which I don't see anything wrong with. But the ticket says Jamie, leave my sweater, I soon pull it out. The ticket said I was using my motor vehicle. I was using my phone while operating a motor vehicle. Driver stated that she's guilty. Sir, when me say I'm guilty, I just said that out of the two offenses you want to charge me for, I can't do nothing but the car seat. So obviously it's gonna be the phone. That don't mean I'm guilty. Like, you saw me using the phone, like with your own two eyes. I was using the phone, but I never said I was guilty. Listen to me. And it's a $10,000 fine and 4 points off my license. So guys, I don't know how to feel about it. Obviously this is my first ticket ever. I've never gotten a ticket in my life. Like, I'm a good girl. I don't think I am that type of person where I am going to like disobey road rules like completely. Like, as I said, and this is just my personal opinion, I don't think it was that big of a deal. If I was driving now, I'm a day and I use my phone, like, I could understand, but I wasn't doing anything. So now my entire day is thrown off. I don't even want to go to the gym anymore. I don't know how to feel. I'll call Jason and tell him, can me not pay the bill? Me, Shanice, not pay the bill. Right, Jamir? You want to pay the bill, Jamir?
Yes.
Zuri she pay the bill, but me not pay the bill there.
Daddy is paying the bills.
Well, let's hope so. Let's go, guys.
Okay, Zoe is paying the bills.
They won't even give me a little blind.
I'm gonna steal my brother's money and pay the bill.
No, Zuri, we don't steal. Alright, kiddies, let's go. Take your lunch bag.
Okay.
Alright, guys, I'll catch up with y'all a little bit later.
Bye. Bye, Grandma.
Guys, I am currently parked up at a post office. Yeah, this is my local post office. I need to make a fabric run today. My fabric store is actually right around the corner, but parking non-existent, right? So usually this is my little spot where I come and park and then I run to grab whatever I need. So today I did some measurements not too long ago for an outfit that I'm making for one of my friends. And guys, one thing with my peeps, you know, they're gonna support me every single occasion, right? No matter what I go on, birthday, kids parties, like, they're gonna support me. So I was about to like close off orders because, as I said, the girl has been going through some things. Maybe one day I'll talk more on that or speak about it, but it's just like imposter syndrome keeps creeping in, and it's just unlike me to feel a certain type of way about my craft because I know that I am talented. I know that God has given me this skill for a reason, but you know, every now and again things kind of get tough and you're like is this what I should be doing? Like, should I really be doing this? So every now and again, like, those thoughts keep creeping in, especially when business is slow, and like those are the roughest times of entrepreneurship, like your slow periods. So when my people like literally show up for me in these periods, you know, it kind of motivates me to keep going because things might not be how I want it to be right now, but just know that this path that I'm on is meant for me. And you know, God, the same God that provided me with the business idea and the skills, He equipped me with everything, so He'll definitely provide the customers. And once I go down on my knees and start praying, guys, I got that to come true for me. So He has been sending orders my way. Super appreciative of that, just until I can get back into the groove of like putting out stuff on my store to, you know, ensure consistent sales. That's what we're doing right now. So we kind of have a phone PT ST. I mean, I don't care, say PTSD or whatever. Post-traumatic stress disorder. I have phone PTSD because quite of them stop me this man and give me tickets. I don't even want to use my phone. Alright, so I don't know that I go with the vlogging and thing. So I'm gonna go run to the fabric store, grab what I need, and then I'm gonna catch up with you guys. Also, I need to go and get some last minute party supplies for Javi's birthday. We need like plates and stuff, forks. I don't know if I updated you guys, but I did end up getting through to the cake company, so we made the order for the cake. It's just that we're not getting the cake that he originally wanted with like the Sonic printed on it and everything, because the time frame is just not gonna work out. So we just got him a regular cake. Plus Javi does not eat cake. Why are we so fussy about a cake when the child ain't even gonna eat his own cake? Right? It don't make no sense. So I need to get those as well. So should I walk? I don't think I want to walk. So I'll come back and then drive, go to the shopping center. So let's go, guys. I don't even have a bag. Mercy be, no bag. Shanice coming to the fabric store. You don't have no bag. Alright guys, I'm in the fabric store and I'm doing some digging. We need some spandex and we also need some chiffon for a skirt that I'm making. So I'm in the bins because usually the bins have some like hidden gems and stuff. Nice things are always in the bin. But I'm not really seeing anything today. So one nice black spandex here in the bin. This is what the bin looks like, and they have like specials on them. So usually spandex is like $2.5 and they kind of bring it down to $1,800 because it's in pieces. So you can pick whatever piece you like. This nice black here, they have green, white, all different sorts of color. This blue is nice. I've used this blue before. So this is the bin, and they have lots of other things in the bin as well. Different type of stretch fabric, lycra, bare things, some nice prints and stuff. So yeah, so I'm seeing this black. It's definitely very flowy. They have it in black and white. I'm gonna show you guys the inspo of what I'm trying to make, and you guys let me know which color you go with, black or white. So yeah, this is really nice.
Feel much.
Have some stuff. So guys, I'm in Woolworth and I'm in their party section. So they have like candles and stuff. We need a number 7. It's the only one I'm seeing. Big 7. I also need some party hats. These are the only party hats they have. Come on. Blow up. Blow, blow. I don't think we need all of that because it's not an outright party. Oh, and I also need some balloons in blue.
Something. What's that?
No, it's the deep blue. I only have this light blue. Not feeling the light blue, man. Also want to get him a little birthday card. These are all the happy birthday. 6, 8. So where's the 7? So it says 6. Oh, you're supposed to flip it. I knew it. So So this one is nice. I went ahead and I started a little thing at the side to show 7. So it says happy 7th birthday. This is the cutest one I'm seeing so far. I don't know if I like the others. So guys, the party stuff are secured, and I literally just walked past the food court, and I did not stop because guess what? There's food at home. So yeah, I got what I came for, and now I'm gonna come out the sun because the sun hot bad. I'm gonna head home, so let's go. So I'm just here drafting this pattern for a piece that I'm working on, and this is basically a one-piece swimsuit, but we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna add like a corset in like the midsection area. So I just finished the final draft. Now I'm gonna cut it out, and then I am gonna true up this pattern, basically kind of fit it to the exact body measurements that I took for her. And then I'm gonna go ahead and cut it out on fabric and sew this, and hopefully I remember to show you guys the end result. So yeah, of drafting patterns for designs that I make. So much fun. So it's hours later and I'm finally done. So it's hours later and I'm finally done, guys. This is the one piece. As I mentioned, it has like some boning, and then it's elasticized. It has a little nice V cut at the front, and the back is strapped up. It has a little crisscross vibe going in the back. Super cute. I love it, love it. And I also have a skirt that it's paired with. Let me show y'all the skirt. And then this is a little skirt. It's like a little sarong, and then it goes all the way down full length, and it has these cute little ruching details and a tie at the side. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. I can't wait for you guys to see like final pics. Hopefully she sends me pics. But yeah, this is it. We're done for the night. Yeah. So guys, my last workout of the week is complete. I am so happy. Listen, I had to push myself real hard today because the energy was just non-existent. So I know you guys saw me sewing last night, so the pieces are finally done, and I'm just here packaging them in these cute little poly mailers. How cute are they? For my custody, because she does go to the same gym as I do, so she's here today. So I'm just gonna drop these off to her, and I'm just going through to ensure everything that should be in the bag is in the bag. So this is her birthday fit because she's actually born like one day after Javi. So Javi's the 2nd of February and she's the 3rd, and like February people, I rock with them because they're just so chill, and you know, them stay to themselves, them are problematic, you know. February people are good people. My uncle also born February, so yeah, I have a good track record with February individuals. And as I said, she's an avid supporter of my brand, she has been supporting like from ever since. Anything she wants, she come to me, and I have to really love and appreciate the people who, you know, support my business simply because it's my business. Because, you know, the flip side is also true. People won't support your business just because it's you. Like, I don't know why. Like, I've never ever like wrapped my mind around it, but you know, you have people out there who dislike you, and so they won't support your business. But I think that there are more good than bad in this world, so I just focus on the people who rock with me and who love me for me and who support my craft and all my businesses that I have. Like, I have some people day ones and they're still around, so if you're one of those people and you're watching this, I must say thank you for the support. It means so much to me. So this is our original order, and I went ahead and I added some little extra goodies. If you shopped with me before, you know I include some extraness, niceness. Where's our birthday? Yeah, but they have to sort her out. So I'm gonna run back up real quick, leave these with her, and then I have to go home to get ready to go back on the road because I have to pick up Javi's cake today. And guys, I have a little story time for Guna, but I don't know if I want Guna right now or if I'm for Guna later. I'm going now because after the whole saga with the police, I'm not take out the phone and record nothing on the road. So last night I was home and I texted my man. I was like, you know, I feel for something nice. And he's like, what do you consider nice? Why are you gonna ask me what I consider nice if when I tell you what I consider nice, you're not gonna get it from me? So I said, I want a big juicy Whopper. The boss say I'm not for eat no Whopper, me I ruin my diet and all these things. I'm like, diet schmite, right? So I have him up from last night. So this morning he's like, when I go get the cake, I can just use his card to get burger and whatever, get the Whopper more. People tell me them conscience about them, right? But him now gonna tell me what to do. If I wanna ruin my diet, do it. I'm gonna ruin my diet. One thing with Shanice, I'm gonna ruin my diet. Diet schmite, okay? So that's all my to-do list today, guys. I'm gonna get a fat juicy Whopper from Burger King. I'm gonna pick up Javi cake and we'll reach back home. I'm gonna start out all of the party things because we're actually having his cake cutting at school tomorrow. So lots to do today, guys, lots to do. All right, and I'm tired. What time is it? It's like 10 o'clock, so I have like 2 hours to get this done. So let's go drop these off and get going. Guys, I'm in BK's drive-thru, but I don't know what I want. Well, I do know what I want, but I'm trying to decide on the regular Whopper, the Whopper with cheese and bacon, or the double Whopper. I don't know. Let's get the boy them some nuggets.
Hello, good afternoon. Can I go ahead, please?
Hi, good afternoon. Can I have the number 3, please? Whopper with cheese and bacon.
Repeat.
Number 3.
Yeah.
The Whopper sandwich combo.
Flavor drink.
Tropics.
Repeat.
Tropicana.
No, grape, Coke, Chef Sprite, orange juice, orange soda.
Grape, please.
Yeah.
That's it.
Come around, 1380.
Alright, thank you.
Yeah.
1380. That's not bad at all. Card.
I can top?
Yes, I can. Thank you.
Alright, next in there.
Thanks much. Yes, perfect. Guys, I've got my Whopper. I've got the cake. I've placed it on the floor, you know, just to be safe. I was thinking of putting it on the seat and like strapping it up, but I changed my mind because next thing I know it go fly off. I also got the boys some patties and some pastry. The first thing I do, I don't know how this is gonna go. But I'm starving. I'm gonna up and eat the fries from BK before I leave. And guys, I must apologize for the sound, but I'm gonna have to book the AC. Get them up the key. So it's now 1 o'clock and I'm pretty early for pickup, so I'll take my time, see if I can go and eat, and then I'll get the boys. So yeah, mission accomplished. Yeah. What is it?
The milk can the man and the toy and also on the table.
You're the most handsome boy in the world and on the table?
And also Gabby.
And Gabby is the most handsome boy too? Alright, so we're gonna film a little video. So we have our setup here. We have all our little goodies here. We got juice.
I want goodie. So 1 3. I am almost 3 years old. 2, get rid of my years old, and then I 3 years old.
Jamie, you're 5.
And then I get rid of 2, 3.
So Jamie, see the party favor says 3 plus. All of a sudden, he's 3 years old. You're 5. You're 5 years old, okay?
Yeah, and Gabby is 6 years old. So
alright, next we have, so we have some little party favors. I showed you guys what we have: some candy, we have the party bags here, and we're also going to include some Kisco freezies in our goodie bag.
take it. Then Ryan and my girlfriend are doing one for her.
Listen to me, now is not Aria's time. So we have all of the goodie bags here, we have all the little trinkets to go in.
Yeah, and
the
here's
Kisco
Daddy.
freezies.
I recognize this dog.
What is it?
I recognize him from like Animal Game Beast.
Oh, he's in Animal Game Beast? I didn't know.
Gabby here.
We're trying to roll up some of these Kiscos. We wanted to put like a pack, but the bags are too small, so I put like strips of Kiscos. We have lollipop. So I'm making open this bag of lollipop for me, please. Or so did I put sticker in this one? And these stickers are just the cutest. Look at this one. Where is it? So it's a snake with a little flower in her hair. How cute is this sticker, Jamir? So I'm almost done packing all of these goodie bags. Let's add in some final touches, some stickers. Something is missing from this one. Doesn't have anything in it. Stickers. Come here.
Oh yeah.
Slappers.
Mommy, look, I have 2 slappers on.
Jamie, you know these are for the kids, right? Not you. And where is the bag? I say you pack it for her. You have it already? Where is it? Get a bag for her. I want you to put some stuff in this one for her. So you have this heart thing you can give her, and this slapper, give her one of the slappers on your hand. And stop, put on all of the slappers in her hand. So yeah, that's about it for me. I am beat, I am tired. Mommy needs to go take a shower and go lie down because I've been up all over the place from morning. Cake is in the fridge chilling, and that's it for today, right? Yep, that's it.
It's my birthday, and I'm gonna be packing some goodies in a goodie bag for my classmates.
What are you doing, Joga? Let me do it. I want to do it. Let me do it right now.
Okay. So Jamir is gonna be helping us pack these goodie bags.
Yeah. The blue ones are for the boys, and the pink ones for all the girls.
I recognize him from like Animal Game. I'm gonna put this little lappy thing, and I'm gonna put in this skateboard, and I'm gonna add this animal and this horse sticker. These stickers. Put in the candy. This is marshmallow. that cold bon. Last but not least, Kiska.
Hey guys, so it is the next day. It is Friday, and if you know, you know. It's Javi's cake cutting. So I literally just pulled up and I have basically everything that I need. Listen, if you're like me and you have this, I don't even know, is it a disease? I don't know, disorder, I don't know, but I have a deathly fear of forgetting things. So for the entire morning I was like, Shanice, don't leave the cake, don't leave the cake, don't leave the cake. Because imagine pulling up for a cake cutting with no cake, because the cake was in the fridge, like everything else was in sight. You know, they say out of sight, out of mind. So I was afraid I was gonna leave it. Lo and behold, I almost leave it. Like every day I come on the internet, I see more signs leading to certain disorders that I have that has been undiagnosed. And yeah, it's not pretty, guys. It's leaning towards ADHD side, because why am I so forgetful? Even when I have it like at the forefront of my mind, I still forget. So either way, I just made a quick stop and I got some juice for them, because that's the only thing I didn't buy when I was doing my little shopping. So we have juice, we have cups, we have cakes, plates, everything that we need. And then we have the goodie bags, which Javi and the kids are most excited about. This morning when I dropped them off, everybody was like wishing him a happy birthday and giving him big hugs. I'm gonna tell you, no, Javi and the girls, right? I thought Jamiro was the one that we probably had to look out for, but I'm starting to think it's Javi. So I was telling them that it's not his actual birthday, but seeing that they won't get to see him on Sunday, might as well wish him happy birthday now. So he's loving the birthday wishes, he's enjoying his little day. So I'm gonna pull up now. Usually they give us like the last hour of school, like 1 hour period. So the little cake cutting, and they've had cake cuttings before at school. Like I remember Javi had it when he was back in kindergarten. So yeah, they've been having regular cake cuttings at school. It's nothing new. They had one in kindergarten, so did Jamir, and Jamir is a bit upset because he wanted to be at Javi's cake cutting. I was like, Jamir, you're not invited, you're not in his class, okay? So maybe next year when they're both at the same school, then he can, you know, partake in the festivities. But we're going to leave him cake and everything. I don't plan to give them like all the cake. I'm going to bring home a piece for like daddy, grandma, Jamir of course, and Zur. Like them have to get them cake, so I secure them cake. And yeah, I'm just looking forward to a fun-filled evening. I hope Javi enjoys it. I mean, I know he will. And yeah, kind of nostalgic because I can't believe I have a 7-year-old. Like, isn't it just the other day I had a baby? Like I can't fathom it. But guys, bear with me if I get emotional throughout this little birthday celebration, because my boy is a big boy now. Alright guys, catch you inside. David, there's their birthday. So you didn't get one? Thank you. Yes, he is. Javi, your friends can't believe you're 7.
You said they almost live near me. Yes. No. Well, happy birthday,
Penthouse view, let some flowers in the room and make sure I lock the door.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Javi.
happy birthday to you.
Okay,
So we're done with our little birthday celebration. How was your birthday, Javi?
good.
Did you enjoy your class party?
Yes, and I'm melting like ice cream.
He's melting like an ice cream. And the kids had so much fun. Like I thought
Can you try the breeze?
Yeah, it's on. You're gonna feel it shortly. So Javi, how does it feel to be 7? Well, you're not 7 yet, but you're gonna be 7 in a couple of days. How does it feel? Feel like a big boy?
Yeah.
How was your party?
Good.
You had fun?
Yes.
You're not Jamaican, okay?
Now we're gonna see if we can pick up some lunch. What you boys want for lunch? Jamir wants cake. I'm gonna give you a slice of cake, my love, but we need to figure out
some
lunch.
cake for you, okay, Jamir?
How about Island Grill?
We-
You guys want festivals? Bless you, Zuri.
Yes.
Want festivals?
Yeah, what is lychee juice?
What?
Lychee juice.
What you want?
Lychee juice.
Lychee juice. Island Grill will better have lychee juice because Jamir is cooked. So let's see if we can get some food and get them lychee juice. Hopefully them have whatever is in season. I'm sure he'll love because Jamir always loved the new Island Grill like refreshers, whatever they have in season. So let's do that and yeah, call it a day.
Bye.
Y'all and these ducks.
Jamaican.
Yeah, mom, see me I get a yabba this time. I don't know, guys. What should I get? So the yabba has like, you can get like pumpkin rice, callaloo rice with either stewed chicken. Can't say that my glasses, you know. Stewed chicken or curry chicken, as opposed to the satisfaction, which I always get. But I'm feeling tired of the satisfaction now. It's like the jerk chicken, rice and peas festival. I ain't feeling that this week, so I'm gonna get the yabba instead.
I want to hold you.
And as usual, we're getting the boys some extra festivals.
Because you are the goodest
6
in
to
the
be
world.
exact. Boys, Jamie, I don't see any lychee juice, you know.
What do you mean?
Jamie, want me? Jamie, you're on there misbehaving, you know. I know that for a fact that Jamie is misbehaving.
Jamaican, now I can be.
I don't see any lychee juice, my love, but I'm sure you'll survive.
Thank you.
I'll see what else they have.
Don't you back.
I'm gonna have cash, which is a rare occasion because I rarely have any cash. I'm always out of cash. Usually I run the card. Feel like run the card.
You should be the dog.
Don't. And you should be the
I know, guys. Island Grill does not sponsor your girl.
You guys gonna be so.
Or maybe they do. The real reason I'm here every day is because I'm not gonna cap, like their food is very good. I remember gone are the days when like the portion size wasn't as but them kind of add a little extra, so I'm not complaining. The food is always good, the rice is always well cooked, the chicken is always slapping, the jerk chicken, and I like that they have the option of, you know, vegetables and healthy options because jerk chicken is a bit healthier than like fried chicken with a bag of oil. So this is my go-to when I'm feeling a bit healthy or I feel like I want to be on the straight and narrow. Yes, baby?
Look, I finished the page. Look, it said page
110 to 112. We finish all three? Okay, perfect. Good job. So Javi doing homework from the car, so when him reach home, him do have to do no homework. I think you're slick. So yeah, guys.
Get up.
Can't even go too close. Go on up, my man. Yes, please. Can I get the fricassee chicken?
Sure, rice and peas I have, that's okay?
Oh man, and I was trying to run away from the rice and peas. Alright, I'll take the rice and peas with it.
Rice and peas?
Yes, please. No, can I have a side of festivals?
You want steak?
Yeah.
I put them on separate bill here because I don't want to eat.
Yeah, man, that's totally fine.
770 festival.
You have any special juice today, or is just the same?
We have June plum guava and pineapple lychee.
Oh yes,
Holiday style.
pineapple lychee. Jamir, they have pineapple lychee, my love.
You want medium?
Yes, please.
Okay, that's it.
Yes.
1,400.
All right, thanks, man. Jamir, them have your pineapple lychee. So guys, we are here and we are taste testing. Why are you eating me? The fricassee chicken from Island Grill. Jamie, I want you to behave yourself. So it's been a while since I tried this. This is really good. So this is really good. I'll give you a 10 out of 10. You guys want to try this? It's fricassee chicken.
I'm echoing. Mommy? Mommy? Can you hear my echo?
Nope. Also, Jamir gave me one of his festivals.
Yeah.
This is busting as usual. We got our pineapple lychee juice. Jamaican, how much I rate the pineapple lychee? I just poured some for him. How much I rate it? This, what does this mean? 10 out of 10.
Give me more.
You want more?
This is definitely mine.
Jamaican doesn't lie. When him said the pineapple lychee, busting. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish eating. These boys need to take off their clothes right now. Guys, it is so overcast outside and I almost forgot that we actually have an event to go to later.
Look.
Good. We have an event. We have a little birthday dinner for a friend. No, you're not coming. It's not your birthday. So the birthday party is slated to be at the S Hotel in Kingston. Hopefully the weather holds up. Honestly, as it stands, I don't know what I'm wearing. Jason already know what I'm wearing, so I might match him. Shh, don't tell him. He wants to wear like a black shirt and jeans and a sneaker, so I'm gonna see if I can find something to match, something to go along.
Mom, do I have to read 10 pages?
Sure, my love, you can read any amount you want.
I read the 8
So I have to go and get ready for that. Either way, guys, I'm gonna hurry up and eat and then see if I can go and put myself together and get ready for later on. What happened?
I want you to put some more lychee in this cup.
You like the lychee? Alright, you can have some of mine. Jamir is a lychee fan, guys. Here you go. Thank you.
Thank you.
Eat your festival. Eat up.